Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ITR4, the simplified tax return form for small businesses and professionals in India. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about ITR4, from eligibility and benefits to the required documents for filing. Let's get started. ITR4, also known as SUGAM, is a simplified income tax return form used by individuals, Hindu undivided families, HUFs, and firms, other than LLPs, who are residents and have income from a presumptive business or profession. It's specifically designed for small taxpayers opting for the presumptive taxation scheme. You are eligible to file ITR4 if you meet the following criteria. You have income from a business under the Presumptive Income Scheme under Section 44AD, Section 44ADE, Section 44AE. Your total income does not exceed 50 lakh rupees. You have income from one house property. You have income from other sources like interest and family pension. However, you are not eligible if your total income exceeds 50 lakh rupees. You have income from more than one house property. You have capital gains income. You hold any assets outside India. You are a director in a company. You have investments in unlisted equity shares. Filing ITR4 offers several benefits. Simplified filing process. The presumptive taxation scheme simplifies income calculation, reducing the need for detailed bookkeeping. Reduced compliance burden. You are exempt from maintaining detailed accounts and getting them audited if your turnover doesn't exceed the specified limit. Time saving. The form is shorter and easier to fill out compared to other forms. Cost-effective, lower compliance costs due to reduced need for professional services. Legal compliance and benefits helps avoid penalties and can be useful for loan applications and other financial purposes. Tax refunds allows you to claim refunds for excess TDS deducted. Carry forward of losses enables carrying forward of certain losses to future years. Proof of income. Filed returns serve as documented proof of income for various purposes. To file ITR4, you'll need the following documents: personal information, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and bank account details. Income proof, bank statements, cash book if applicable, invoices, bills for sales and services. Details of other income like interest and dividends. Tax deduction and payment proof. Form 1616A for TDS. Advance tax payment receipts. Self-assessment tax payment receipts. Expense proof. Rent receipts for office premises. Utility bills related to business. Professional expenses bills. Presumptive Income Scheme documents. Basic records for verifying turnover, gross receipts. Details of vehicles if filing under Section 44AE. Additional documents. GST registration details if applicable. Proof of investments for claiming deductions. Let Juro Legal handle your ITR4 filing with precision and care. We streamline the paperwork, reduce your compliance burden, and maximize your tax benefits. We hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.